Hey guys, welcome to today's new Amazon video. In today's video, I am going to show you Amazon's latest kitchen useful gadgets and kitchen organizer. All these gadgets make every work of your house easy and at the same time give them a new smart look. You will get them online sitting at home. You can order them online, the link of which you will get in the description box below. I am showing you the shoe slot organizer, which is very good for space saving. It is made of plastic. You can keep the shoes, the space saving is done very well. Size is very good. Your shoes and slippers stay in one place and do not get lost. There is no fear of losing them and you get space for that place. And this is foldable clothes organizer, guys. The capacity of this box is very large. You can fold both big and small clothes and keep them in it. You can also call it a kind of plastic drawer because it can hold so many clothes in its capacity that you can shift them in your closet or cupboard. It is very lightweight. There is no need to lift its box, and this sandwich toaster is a very hard-working toaster made of aluminium, with which you can make sandwiches, etc. at home for breakfast every day. You do not need to go out to the market. Apart from this, we are showing you a sink over dish rack. It is made of metal quality. It has a very good large capacity. If you put this over your sink, then you can keep all the cleaning utensils in it very nicely. It is an accessory. Everything will fit in it, and this closer cloth organizer, guys, are made of many slots. You have partition divider in it, and you will find its material made of plastic. In this you can keep all types of closet cloths, like socks, handkerchiefs, panties, bras, etc. So that when you open the cupboard, you can find all the closet cloths which you cannot find. This makes your work easy, and all your closet clothes remain in front of your eyes. You can shift these drawers in your cupboard or in the closet also because these are not of large capacity. It is lightweight, so I'll look at the multifunctional cleaning brush. It is rotatable and also very flexible, with which you can clean your gas burner. You can clean the wash basin, clean the tap, even all the interior things, even where your hands cannot reach. It cleans them very cleanly and is very good. You can even clean your shoes. Apart from this, you will get a rotating corner shelf. This is a 3-layer plastic shelf with magic sticker applied on it through which it gets stuck on the wall easily. You put it on the corner of the wall and you can keep all the washing bottles, cleaning bottles of the bathroom in it. You can even use it in the kitchen. This is a chopping board made of wood. You can cut vegetables on the upper side, and also you can keep the cut vegetables on the lower side by taking out a plate like this. Then after taking them out in a plate, you will be able to do 2 types of tasks with this chopping board itself. So it will be quite easy to cut the vegetables and to wash them after.